Hello everybody, thank you for watching my review here and welcome again to my review. My name is Ikhlas and here I'm gonna to show you about the video robot. Okay, before we are uh, forward to the next step, here I will show you about the video robot. Video robot is a video marketing software. This is launched by Paul Ponna and Todd Gross. If you have the previous video marketing is Video Pal and Video Builder, and now they come with the new software called Video Robot. Let's go to the screen, and here you can see the dashboard. In this dashboard, this is there are announcement and a news and update here. Okay, if you don't know how to use Video Robot, this is the tutorial, and this is also there is a customer only live webinar season up. So in the past there is not a past, just yesterday there is a Video Robot webinar. So if you don't join yet this webinar, you can sign up here and watch the replay webinar. And also there is the customer support. Yeah. Video Robot will launch in today at the 11 EST. It means and this launch period is about 7 days. So if you pick up this Video Robot after launch, you will get the normal price. But I recommend you to buy this Video Robot in the launch period. Why? Because you will get the special price. In the special price, I think it's just 26. Yeah, 26 for the FA. It means in front end. Yeah. Okay. And I personally made the video by Video Robot. Okay, this is, you can see here my name, Ikhlas Alatas. Let's see what I have made, what I made. Yeah, this is preview, download, edit, and delete. This is very simple.
Or were you hurt in an automobile or commercial accident? If so, before you turn to your insurance agency, turn to our professional personal injury attorneys who can help you make sure you get the
I use this just only know to how to use and how Video Robot works, but I conclude that Video Robot is really newbie friendly and very simple. Okay, let's close, and you can see media library here. The media library, you can upload the media. You can use what you want, even image, even audio, even video, and put the title, and then there your media will show up here. What is the library function? Actually, this is for support your video. If you have the file that you want to put it in the video, you can upload the media here, and then use it for your video. Okay, now let's start create the video. before you are going to create the video, there are 4 templates that you can choose it. Then there's it's back to you what video you want to use and what video you want to create. There are 3D avatar template, kinetic animation template, whiteboard animation template, and blank canvas. Blank canvas is mean you are you like a video builder, you know. Let's see the 3D avatar template. Okay, after you click here and then click next step. Wow, this is the template. Yeah, this is the alarm installation, bankruptcy attorney, business service, car dealership, child care, chiropractor, cleaning service, construction and contractor. This is a mail. Oh, there is a 5-page. I'm sorry, 4-page. This is the female. Okay, this is only the avatar. What avatar you want? Do you want the male or female avatar? Okay, we're back to the male. Okay, now reliable. Let's try for GPA. Then next step. There is Jen. There is Jen. Okay. Yeah. What is this? Deluxe. Okay. If you want to unlock this avatar, you need to upgrade your version into deluxe upgrade. Green screen. Okay, 3D avatar. Let's preview. Yeah, this is the avatar. Oh. The body language is very soft, right? Yeah, this is a grid, and I think this is the new technology. Okay, let's pause and close. This about the GPA, and then I choose this sound. And next step. Okay, this is ready-made voiceover.
Whether you need help with your personal taxes, small or large corporation taxes, or you just need a reliable professional CPA or accountant, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local CPA.
Okay. Okay, we just this is very quick review. Yeah, if you want to more about, you can buy video robot after this. Okay, but here I want to show you what is inside the video robot actually. Yeah, this is the ready-made and text to speech. Also, you can choose the language, what language you want. I'm sorry. Actually, I got a cold and I am sick now, but it is because of you. I review this video robot for you, so so don't forget to click the link below after we finish the review. I put the video. I put the link if you want to buy the video robot. Okay, here you can choose the language. They are very Indian, Italian, Indian English, Island landing, French, Dutch, Danish, Brazilian, Spanish, Welsh English. Okay, and there is also points. Well, Kimberly, Mateo, Sally, Justin, Ivy. Let's see Kimberly. Is this Kimberly?
My name is Kimberly. You can pick me as your text-to-speech human-like voice engine for your video pal.
Okay. Justin. This is the script. There is also ready-made script, but you can edit it also here. This is the example. Whether you need help with your personal tax, small or large corporation tax, or you just need to reliable professional CPA or accountant, you have come to the right place. We are proud to be the top local CPA. Okay. Also, you can import the speech. Let.
Whether you need help with your personal taxes, small or large corporation taxes, or you just need a reliable professional CPA or accountant, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local CPA and accountant service, and we pride ourselves on being reliable, professional, and, most importantly,
Wow.
meticulous when it comes to handling your finances. Feel free to call one of our friendly staff now to arrange a free
It's great, right?
obligation consultation to discuss your personal or business accounting needs. We look forward to working with you.
Yeah, this is awesome. You can also choose a background deep music if you want. Here the media library function. You can upload your music also here. Okay. I think we can go into this next step. There is my logo also, logo position. You can put it. You can import from your computer. Logo position left or right. There is the contact information, company name. My company name is Ultima Studio. Okay. We put this my phone number. Okay. Okay. And then next step. Let's see the final video. Okay. Let's see.
Whether you need help with your personal taxes,
Wow.
small or large
This is
corporation
the
taxes, or you
lower
just need
third.
a reliable professional CPA or accountant, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local CPA and accountant.
You also
service. We pride ourselves on
can
being
edit the
reliable,
media
professional,
text,
and
intro,
most
outro,
importantly,
loader,
meticulous when it comes to handling your
animation
finances.
effect.
Feel free to call one of our friendly staff now to arrange a free, no obligation consultation to discuss your personal or business accounting needs. We look forward to working with you.
Wow. And then can create movie. Make title CVA. Accountant. Accountant. Size. Format. Create a social media GIF file. Oh. Only video profit maximizer upgrade user can enable this feature. Got it. Then submit. Okay. The video pending. This mean this it rendering rendering the video. Okay. waiting for this process done. Let's see the the video robot sales page. Here is the sales page. The Breakthrough's bill video robot is worth on the all-inclusive video platform to create next generation pro quality video in any language and or niche within minute.
Robot will become the most important asset in your marketing toolbox.
There is 300 ready-made video template. Yes, flexible blank video canvas. Okay, yes, this is good. I'm sorry. Okay, you can see this in the description. I will go and I will give you the link going to this sales page. Professional male or female voiceover content crafted by expert copywriter. Yes, as you can see just now. Capture page with student 3D avatar. Yes. This is the text effect. Okay. Just quick scroll, right? The bonus is you can get the bonus inside. Okay, and then let's see the auto, right? The auto product for the first is deluxe, and deluxe upgrade.
Hey, you made it. On behalf of my partner Paul Ponna,
You can unlock the hidden feature here.
here at Video Robot.
Well, here is what include. Done for you monthly template. You get access to brand new fully designed video template each month, and monthly text effect animation. Unlock hidden 3D avatar as I showed up you just now, and you also unlock the hidden animation and effect. There is some animation and effect that locked, and you just you need to upgrade into the deluxe upgrade to unlock all of the animation and effect. Okay, this is the first, the auto one. Okay, and the auto 2. Let's see the agency. This is Video Robot Agency.
Hey, wait just a minute. Before you head over to the download area to access Video Robot and all that good stuff, I just want to give you access to something that our Video Robot customers are using right now to make 4 to 5 figures in earnings each month. Did you know that every video you create with Video Robot
Okay,
is
this is the
sold online
agency.
for
It means if you have a client that you want to, you can sell this Video Robot. You can give your customer access into the Video Robot account. This the mean the so you can earn 500 to what to
$500
1,000.
to $1,000 each. You already know video is hot.
Okay, and here are 6 reasons why agency license holder than 10 times more. Create extra long video and presentation. Yes, create ultra HD videos, right? Secret by website and network refill, yes. Step by step over shoulder training. This is the shoulder training also. 50 green screen human spokesperson pack. Okay. As I said you that you should got the video robot since the launch period, because after launch the price will up to $197. Even in the launch period you will get this only 67. Okay, and now let's see, going to the next auto. This is the 3-in-1 video traffic suite. Oh my god.
You're almost done. Pay close attention and be prepared.
Okay, this is what you will get. Video syndication. Instantly syndicate your video to the top video sharing site in minute. Submit, share, and schedule your content. Instantly discover hot keyword that rank on page. Special bonus. So this software video robot is sells separately. It means even you just want to, even you purchase the the Auto 2, the Auto 3, or Auto 1, but you will get the FA product. So you need to buy through the funnel. And I think if you buy the through the funnel in the launch period, I think this is cheaper than you buy it after launch. Okay, that's all. And also you will get the bonus. Here is your regular bonuses. Yeah, this is the bonus. Yeah, this is your bonus page. Okay, 10 eye-catching lead generation page. Professional sales video by Todd Gross. Video robot bonus. List of the top website to submit and marketing your video service. Professional created Facebook ad set. Top quality background image to use. Top quality video background. Professionally written email swipe. 113 tone. Black and white character set. Color tone character set. Okay, and 15 ready to use logo with video robot. And this is the 49 royalty free zone. You can choose. And also here what you will what I will give you of the bonus. Yeah, this is the video, this is the bonus that I will give you. Kick-ass video template. And this is the second. Okay, kick-ass video ads. Kick-ass video ads is also you can use
Do you
this
know what's the fastest way to generate more
done for you
attention and
video
more
ad
leads and
template.
more sales for your offers?
Okay.
Now listen, with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and of course YouTube, you have at your disposal.
Okay, that's all about the video robot. And don't forget to if you want, I will give you this bonuses. You can buy if you want these bonuses. If you don't want, no problem. So if you want, I will give you the link below, the link to the Facebook group, so you can join the Facebook group and then you can ask there. Okay, I will send you the link. And I think that's all. Don't forget to subscribe and join the Facebook group, so I will share more about the video robot there. Okay, and also more info. I will give you the info there, over there. Now, I think we are in the we end this review. I just want to, if there is I don't know, but back to you. If you need this video marketing software, you can purchase it. I will give you the link also below. And thank you again. I very thank you. You want watch this review until end, and I will back to you for the next for the next great stuff of software. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you. Bye bye.